Ever gazed at a perfectly seared salmon fillet and pondered what lies beneath its shimmering surface? Is salmon merely a chef's delight, or does its appeal extend beyond the palate? Let's journey through the cascading waters of salmon's nutritional profile, surfacing its numerous health benefits, potential concerns, and even diving into some intriguing trivia along the way. An ocean of nutrition. Beneath its silvery skin, salmon hides a plethora of nutrients that position it at the pinnacle of seafood choices. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. EPA and DHA are the stars, essential for brain health, inflammation reduction, and heart health. 2. High-quality protein. Offering about 22-25 grams per 3.5-ounce serving, it supports muscle mass maintenance and metabolic health. 3. Vitamins. Vitamin D. Vital for bone health and immune function, salmon is among the few dietary sources of this essential vitamin. B vitamins. B12, niacin, B6, and riboflavin in abundance, crucial for energy production and DNA repair. 4. Minerals. Selenium, a potent antioxidant, playing a vital role in protecting bone health, thyroid function, and DNA synthesis. Potassium, aiding in blood pressure control and preventing excess water retention. The lure of health benefits. 1. Heart health hero. Regular consumption can lower risk factors for heart disease, including triglycerides and blood pressure. 2. Brain boost. The omega-3s are associated with a reduced risk of age-related mental decline and improved mood. 3. Weight management. Salmon's protein content can regulate the hormones that control appetite, promoting feelings of fullness. Navigating the potential risks. Though salmon sails strong on the sea of nutrition, a few considerations might affect your consumption. 1. Mercury levels. While generally lower in salmon compared to other fish, it's wise to be cautious, particularly with certain wild-caught varieties. 2. Farmed versus wild. Farmed salmon might contain contaminants and is often fattier, while wild salmon boasts a richer nutrient profile. Daily dives. Consuming salmon regularly. Imagine welcoming salmon into your daily meal routine. Over time, this consistent, omega-3 rich inclusion can offer bolstered heart and brain health, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. However, variety remains the spice of life. It's essential to balance salmon with other protein sources to ensure a diverse nutrient intake. Trivia tidbits. Fast facts. 1. Salmon possess a unique ability called anadromy, allowing them to thrive in both salt and fresh water. 2. The term salmon derives from the Latin word salmo, which originally meant to leap, a nod to their upstream migration. 3. Ever noticed the orange-pink hue? It's from a carotenoid pigment called astaxanthin, derived from the krill and shrimp they consume. In the vast waterscape of seafood, salmon emerges not just as a gourmet favorite but a health-enhancing marvel. Whether grilled, smoked, or even raw, each bite is a deep sea dive into a world where taste marries health. So, the next time a salmon fillet graces your plate, take a moment to appreciate the oceanic treasure you're about to enjoy. Fish wave.